Today there'll be a whole bunch of pink yummy treats here on MultiDO Challenge. Kate, Betty, are you ready? Then let's go! Look just how beautiful these goodies are! This is just unreal! I figured out where to start. The donuts are the perfect option. Wish me a bon appetit! So delicious! This is the coolest challenge I could ever think of. I agree. Hey, Kate, can we play a game? Let's see who can eat the most donuts first. 1, 2, 3, let's go! I gotta win. I think I know how to do it. I just gotta squeeze all these donuts into one huge donut. I definitely can't win at this rate. So I guess I'm gonna have to stuff as many donuts into me as I can. Or I could just throw away most of the donuts. Kate won't suspect a thing. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm getting tired of donuts. This was easy peasy. That was the easiest victory of my life. Kate gave up, and I won. Ow! After a bunch of yummy treats, now I'm gonna have to suffer with this pepper. Well, I got lucky. I got chocolate-covered strawberries. Betty's gonna be so jealous of me. I want to eat these delicious berries fast. Hey, Betty, don't even look at that Fanta. You have to eat your peppers first. I hope the chocolate will help me out. Hey, actually, the chocolate coating's really tasty. And no one said I had to eat the whole pepper, so I think that's enough. See? All ready. That wasn't spicy at all. Hey, there's something wrong here. Where are you hiding them? I'm gonna find them. Oh, look, I think I found them. Did you really think you could cheat? No way. You're gonna have to finish these delicious peppers, whether they're hot or not. Open up. I think I'm gonna be sick. Someone, give me some water, please! Just hang in there. Alright, if you really can't handle it, then just go to the bathroom. Gosh, that was so tough. Hey, Betty, don't be mad. Let's make up. Alright. Besides, I'm in a way better mood now, because now I get to try this delicious pink Fanta. It's not every day that you get something this delicious. And look! I have 2 more bottles waiting for me. I'm gonna handle them all at once. Oops! Wow! Drinking all that Fanta is the same thing as eating soap. Look at the bubbles. Hey, Kate, it's your turn to eat that ice cream. Wow. Sure thing. Every bite of this ice cream is just so delicious. I haven't eaten anything this good in a long time. Wow, there's so much of it. Actually, I think I'm kind of getting tired of eating ice cream. Well, this is a first for me. Ooh, I'm getting pretty cold too. Uh-oh. That's what being a glutton will get you. Well, at least now she learned that you should always share with Betty. I'm not a fan of shrimp. But I like these candies. What should I choose? I'll probably like this toilet bowl with this lollipop a lot. I think there's gonna be a really delicious lollipop inside here, too. I was right! And what's this? It looks like besides the lollipop, you also have something else hidden in there. Hey, I think there's some kind of syrup in this lid. I hope it'll brighten the taste of the lollipop. Let me try it out. Here goes. Ugh! Now it just became super sour. That's so gross. I'm gonna need to lick that off fast. Alright, I've had enough of that syrup. Just the lollipop's enough for me. Well, according to the rules, you have to eat everything, so open your mouth. Oh my gosh, there's so much of it! It's so sour! Give me the lollipop, please! I need to get rid of this nightmare! Whew, that's much better. It's time for me to eat my lollipops, too. And I want to know what's inside this toilet bowl. It looks delicious. I didn't expect to enjoy it this much. Take a look! There's a sugary powder in there. I can dip my lollipop in. And then it tastes super sour! I like it! Hey, Kate! Who gave you permission to use my toilet? I will eat this all myself! That's it! All done! Oh my gosh! The taste! Oh! Help! That's what being greedy gets you. She didn't even leave me anything. What a jerk. I almost threw up. But I'm back. And I'm ready to try out this ring. Yeah, I want to try out some more unusual sweets. I hope these are just as delicious as all the other candy we've come across. Let's open them up. I think this candy looks way cooler. And it smells amazing! And it tastes just as good! Yummy! And this is the best part! I have 2 of them! Now I can eat with both hands full! Whoa, that's a great idea! Now it's time for me to try my ring too. So pretty. I don't even want to eat it, it's so nice. Although, yeah, I still do want to eat it. Uh-oh! This is the second time I've choked on food today. I gotta be more careful. I don't want shrimp. I want the chewing gum. Ha! I managed to grab it! Guess you'll have to eat the shrimp. Why? I hate shrimp. Why am I being punished like this? They look so gross. I guess I was really lucky. Because right now, I'm gonna get a long, delicious ribbon of chewing gum. I want to eat this gum as fast as possible. so sweet! Kate, what are you waiting for? Come on, eat up! But they look so ugly. How am I supposed to eat this? And they're hard. Didn't anyone ever teach you how to clean shrimp before? It's super easy. And inside there's some delicious meat. Well, maybe. Let's try it out and find out. I don't think I'm gonna like it. I don't want to eat any more shrimp. Come on, try it out. Eat up. Something tells me I'm gonna be sick. Come on, finish up your shrimp cocktail. Oops. Guess she's gonna have to finish them up in the toilet. Kate is such a drama queen. Subscribe to MultiDO Challenge. It's always fun, delicious, and really interesting here. We'll always put you in a good mood.